Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is YULIANA. I'm from SMP 1 KRETEK. I have something to show you. Here it is, beautiful roses. They are very amazing, right? Can you guess what is it from? No? Okay, I will tell you now. They are made of plastic bags. It's amazing, right? And now I will show you how to make it. What we need are plastic bags, glue, scissors, wire, and fuzz. And the steps are: first, cut the plastic bag into circles with diameter of 7, 8, and 9 centimeters. Then, fold into 5 parts and make a form of triangle like this. Then take a wire unit to the end, bend it and put a flower crown in it one by one from the smallest to the biggest. After that, add glue. Like this. Cover lower part of wire from wrapping around the green plastic bag on it as the stem. Then, you can make some labels like this to make it more beautiful. Make as many as possible. And the last, pat them in a flower vase. And finally, here it is. It's very beautiful. You can make it by yourself. Thanks for your attention.